Iye-eki jeme o iye-eki. Iye-eki. Ropa madame o. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma gbo o. Iye-eki jeme o iye-eki. Iye-eki. Ropa madame o. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma o. My good people, even Anna you work going to happen. Share this video and laugh. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma gbe o. Share the video, share it, and allow. Iye-eki jeme o iye-eki. Ropa madame iye-eki o. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma gbe o. Saburo. Let me be the first to share it. They will be one. Iye-eki. Ropa madame o. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma gbe o. Adero dame ropa madame o. Èmi no va ma go ma gbo o. Please share the video now laugh. Share it, Marine. I'm going to allow because in so imagine you are doing this. Is it that thing I have been or thing I am near? Runda, unyi no pekere wogodo boni ani. Unyi wario ani ani. Okay, kakabo dame. Biya la ti gbiyan iwi eto. Runda, edo ni me. Iwi le ibinu. Ome afefenia iwe nige. O kanore le denena. Okay, igine. Oma no wo ye do yen. So pin ma jaji ge sese no. Imajaji. Eka kome makama ne wo ye do eno runda. Eno ye do ga seti le u ave hon. Negi ave u ave hon. Do tu no do nye do no ra o tu na ya fi hon ye do. Unye yi emeso na mi emu wo pinja. Osunwe e mi akopi anaba. O piano seti pa. Onari egon e. Piano won wo wa o. Onari egon e. Onari pa. Onari nya. Amere. So pon pa no evano. I case when I tell you one. Ya no takpa. Gbo wa gbo mi eke. Oke na mi we mi wuwe. Runda. Edo mo ya pitan we. Oma no nota ewi. Una anota u setting wi. Tuma u onu he. Runda. Ame mi ba mi anasa me ba won re no de. Wo gele joko re wo wodo. Please. Wa ga gbido. Na temata my berunda. Iwo ni bobo onwe geleru wa here. Ya o, unero we lan. Iwo ni bun geleri obo kagba me ga nek gbe yan tawe. Be ya se ma wo si ona jin gbe. E so magie ke ni ala la dia runda. E moro ne runda. E won mo si ari epe. From again late Osayomore oya si ogun ye to sisi mu ye hian te gbe ni so pon panu ye yi gba ori yeke e won mo din ọmọ Ọlọ́run iwo ni bu o le giri eniyan we no te keke no do aye so ipa iya fi owe yo wa so pon pano awe na tiere orun eva owe neneni aberi eri mo o pe awowo ogbagba la mo re nda aha akojo gibe kojo eni nwa eva ozo ewi owe giagba wo na emi no ke orin aladian enu so pon pano ikakabo o edin la kotana pe ni ke o ni ga je na be si me petit pon won salo pa we mi unri aladian woni ujo wosa na we wori wa mo bo si ona wori si ku regi runda owo ke pa ni iya ban won ero we bera na mi ewe oye go pe arowa iri won emi o si mi emi gege didan go yi awa aye ore be to pa sun ore ori o pa ni ori o se ke no na ya gene oyi ke kini gbe no ro no bu yan ade nda ori o ma wo asset je yin ona ma padu oga e mo ye mortuary ologo eri o beje be ni ko wa e ka ko ro wa mana ka mo wa we wo na emi agege dinwe wo si o ko ge nda eme no so mo bona okay iwo padi me owi edo sesese okwono ro wodo okwono tuku na wa etue ye wodo yero e gara no guzebu no gora wa oye egwe aga miewe ane nino ma aye tie okwono na ri upefa ona ri enwe gbe efa na mutie orianege adobo miegwe ianize dora manizole dora emanitaka aseri owe edera okwote eke anoro powa no mero ugaru onwe ogwona male julia ewa ke geto wa san la bonopa eke awede ọmọ we seti mo ko na gbo to gbe awe mi odo wa ni oni o si eno na wo padi me adewo wi edo pe ani gelehin runda uga sun ami nu ma mi e wa kun te oje mo je me awon wa ti rehi okwo na no pa ya agbala mo genia no ya fi owo eje thick forest ọmọ no gbo ewe mi odo wa ni e ta mu emu e umosoni akan yu he ni o eta mu emi nebo te kunkun ba ni kiyen kon ave oni edo te awoto opi amore won ko wa no wiyan wi edo emi na we ni me no adowo ko pi ana le hon oda fun ko na wo ri wa sunu sereri o adowo na owe owo ko pi ana ni ere guwe mi odo wa me na wo sunu ewe bo esi ememe wosumu atete wo me la kan pa so popo no emi gege kan wa o ma gege wosunu vosun ogonomie we giawe egboda fun epa ogonomie we bi no taje da fun enia ebi mere je o ma na gbari e ri ma edo we wa gbari atita ona ope anugbe kaka we o awe me gbegbe ona okworgo be ta we amamie we no bogi sunu ona eta gbagbu na o ezo erugbe po okwo na obe yawe ki ani ma le doma iri o wa ga mi video ni akungun okwo oba eri eye ya mosi okwo oba rororo e do mu e Facebook igboto ni ge okwo oba ona ga we show me I show you o we le ki amase o ga ile so wane o we le show me show you nyaun te gesi iwe ikwe so ni ro won me wala ho o ma no ewe ega ogun yen me bo je right on the Facebook on the Facebook yo enwo pa na kan ma be no ka on the Facebook o ga dun gbojo oku oba woba oku oba ije agbon ni ko na dopayo mu re mo dopayo pe o pe ani awe gba awe ni mi de mo yeri ije mi
what do you do?
Okay, fine. No, it's also a way. Not funny. Like you want to now, what is it?
oh lo me do wa o
Okay.
ni no pe we see body see baby ni no ko gele mu si ele agbon ri je eu o so o pune mo eu kekishin ke ya wa no Jesu obonira me no ni te gbelege WhatsApp e Facebook e do mu me gene no ko eyin ne no ko Facebook e do mu e na so to o we give me mercy okay na de gbe bozoe awon Facebook ma go me muere oma ni eye ni de gwa lu gba ere no pe amore Facebook a ko o me de music no me that e no pe ani agba adu eki babele o ka won gbona ya ri afo o pe ana wa yo ye do run dana so ze to yan ye do jare wo ke yan wa ge mi na sagbon mi no be gbe we right Devi no wa yo ko pa Ya anya ni gbe ma wa we. Le va se ba. Ni me nwa ba, ra ni me. Okwono ro wodo. O me ke no go bi agiese. Kate kate, o wi omo e o wi je e gbo e. Onware o me ke na gwo ma giese okwono ro wodo. Onwe no ya onwe limita kono nya me ke no nya se. Uda owo gie no wo gie da bia. Oya ka ma we tu pele for you. Very very free and liberal when it alokai. Da wo gie no wo na gie da bia na. Abiye vaka lele gbene because any bo ahian so e sian ya so. They go back to their S. But in this case, so they said, this man is married. This woman is married. So they said, according to their story, Spain. But my concern, I'm not here to condemn either of them. Right? But my concern now is that what would have led to this thing? Because when you know the root of your problem, you know how to tackle it. Is it that or is it that or that one satisfy, or is it that or you dirty talk no be anata? Because I want my mom or my geleveri about this. And I sorrow. Our ye on can wait. Maybe up there our fear and what talo our will maybe a break a canty. Ah, yes, girlfriend, you're walking. No, some men are so loose and lousy. They talk anyhow. They talk anyhow. Especially in a notice anyway. Oh, na or you know ya day. Or the Kenyan Italian me buy any. Italian is zuoni. Or the Kenyan Italo ese. Egbo ko na setiri ye carry your water. Kegbo wo kan de no. O ko ne yo me o wo gi we o we bo ni yu he. Ganatiro. O geva o ko ne kwe ki avun. O gia o ko ne setiri yo kan. Is a problem to that community. To the community at large, a problem, you know. Rumba. Or ye or honey, or not downwards. Some of them anxiety. Curiosity, they say, kills a cat. Oh, imagination. Eta we want. But for the fact that are honey, so they want to taste and see. Even Bible said, taste and see that the Lord is good. So, so what can get it done way? Now don't give it the report. But by the time it's so severe, some get disappointed. Any ante weji, any amana, any ayamwe. Uwe no when ye ya dan ekia ekwe wala. So aya so abiele ewaje. Iye-eki wala ibie mo na ona biene. You see that thing I have always said time without number. Ikata okbeni keta. Akona we won na je. Ero wo wie ede wo taira ewa van. I stormed into one is he a pastor I don't know on Facebook. He said it the way it is. Our woman I roll. Mommy can I when I build day. Oh, baby now we are 30. Let's hope only 35. Yes, I think build the I can't get me here. Don't know what bona asame kubona. O bona isame kubona. Oh boy ya hua. Keke we. Ero yeye. Anarun do yo gwejui. To da fenshia wa e da. Anarun do yo gwe azazi gan yo de. To da fenshia wa e da. Elo efe. Runda. Ou pono yo gwe afye keke na pe la. O da fende do fie ji wagon la. O de ari ya newo ya runda. Ari oba no ma doloji eva ave fi motorela. Escort no le lede eva ave fiela. Wewe rundi wie wo we hian we mi. Emi ame we weji. Ne fana motie efa nefa efo re. Efo ikwe webwe so ko wako de home and abroad. Nya ni ro wa ikwe wa be kose. They not take it as a normal thing. They not take it as a normal thing. Where elma me. Mi not take back. So pano aregwe ni ko gwini ya we mi na mi no gba. Adobo mewe keri Jesu ade. Keri Jesu ade. Owo ino ya re Bible. Ana si amami ya do fini ya gwana. Amami ya ni si gi Jesu we Bible. Owo ni ari gi Jesu we. Jesu ade o. Ade Jesu. Okpare fi olona. E Jesu na we ha. I Jesu mu menwe. I Jesu no sile wo okia o ma no do ya wa. I Jesu ni je no kokomo. E okoko no mi opa we ya gba. Ona wo ma. Bene mana gbe buse. Jesu ge yo gere. Amame no ri opia no faru e de wo ma. Wo ma ni agba we o. I Jesu ma ro se obi ni gbo wara. Runda owi o salobo ayin. Ona wo ma. Beni waya are ma no ki ye ma e we mi abe mi ku de ye. Weri gwalu gbe ni amugboko na hun. Ewani ni foji. Dama doge no te mu sisi mu mozo. Eya na mu luto. Ama me no fi gbe. O debo o kwe da doge luwe. So pon pano. O pe ano se ti ri ki aladian. Ona ri enya mere. Owu we no wa mere tala re wo we. O hegun ene gberun na re runda. Owo kan we ma ge wo hun. Iwi ne ko we no. Iku la ho. Ege ya aje gbon ajun. Ege ya wu on afie obi. Na gala ho. Runda. Adele toro re ban. Okay, no ho fi we yo, ho fi sese yo. Who no mark anybody. So pon pa no evanu. Enu we aro won me. Egbe ma ho ewo won me ni. Ekwe ki ani magi vun. Onye wo bia no ri eyo wa gi so e. Ora mi owo wo ri mu e. De ça. What's in when I said it ba? What's here? And the devil wani waga mi wo problem. Why geles you woni why you go bola husband snatcher why na le ka na ludo wana fi pa lu selu why ge no e ki gi wa do so pon pa wa mia wani bu bi omo pe aki aka na weri ona aki na we no oku wa no so bobo no pa e o oku wa ki alo ri wi wa nuda e moni ma pa iya ma eva but ege sene no wa ya to ta ka ne gbe odo lo ni meji we o agi eti ma ki bi e ka aki no wa aki ani eya ni zebonata with good name is better than riches. Awon wa ye pin o ma sa awon wa yo hu igo yo bo kan se ebenu kekanu sopma eni no ga ya lo de iwo bi ona ma na kun ye o atamo I o ma tota oni wega la tota gwari yenwe unwe mi gedegbe no I ona I uma obi ona na I oduki abi uke pe abi pi gboraje ijeya uma ijere ne da ya je gbeje da iwa to bo eri koro yan na o na yan we no da fun na zegbele like seriously it's a bad name, it's a bad omen we no kai no. It is a bad omen. Any no gaya lotse, any drano, any na mieva je. It's not nice. It's not. Oh, ne go why one pack your bag and baggages go. Or for that still, why away? Me no be ari again. Ikwe so wa rowa. Wa si ko da fuwa. Don wari mugie iye weso wa ibiene enune kia wori mo makojo eso ne mori le nwane wo eso kiokpa e va gbera ya gbera bene na tu wa obi ra wa obi je wa ize wo do woju wa gbe wa mi owo kan down de mi opi ave wa experiment le gbe wa mi opi na wa tenwe we eri yen gbe ni mu eri yan wa ri owe yan yen ro yen yaka wa ya down we experiment wana wa kan dan mo ni wana mi wa ma no mu jeze yon be mu re abasha kwa agbacha kwa ni wana wa mi Ebi na wo bi ju bai. Ebi na why wadi. E o jini ai wa la wa hu di ane. Benu wa mana me ke na kio egbu wa ne. Ere ru wa ri oto. Oma kan wa. Can I be talking no comment? What's that? Oma kan wa. Okay, okpe ano wona I do na dana ya. Agbon yeje na ya. Me no wa. Agbon yeje a wa lwenwe ikweso cause you know si oge you wa gbe na I really don't know. I can't even tell. I can't say. What is your cause e kiani waka vielele wani bu wo mamaro e kiani ganu wa nekwe ikweso mai na ti awe ma to be fair. Imagine na pe wo no dey na ni gwalo no I don't know. Ikweso mai na ti love. Eso bere we iwi ya la onwe ni iyan parike eyan na lawo no really worry eyan na dejo. God bless you onawa. Eso be bere we o go tune keke na bie no really worry ana bie yo. Eso wa ye won wo si o awa to ta asa ifa we ebo eni o siyan ka lele o ki u he Jesu o ga daji we na ukwe hi obai. Eso wa gwa lo dere kere kiani eso kwe ya o we vole kiani be bossas so kun panu e kiani ga igere sinya bon edo wa ati e pe anegele ajowa aga bo de gbe ehiri eso mo kwe we lare so kun panu a hin oyin gbe aye ni pase gbe ya tokpa yere fien weni abie ki bie gwajo. Eso no ma yi o na jinyajo owe ni gbe mi egbezi. Eso we nte gbiyan eso afi we they don't have confidence in themselves anymore. Owe yen wa robete uhe ke mu we nu pe ani ara bie nu pe na ma we mu uhe amune bibi e mo nu onu bi awa gba ni awa bo ede ye le ki awo ama ewe gbe go yin le na awo ogun pare we mu na ni ikweso aya muwe no da finya eso we ma we ya o iya wa pk shift iya wa mase ni e wa are shift iya na ekwe mi egbe because Tia gige gbere na hotin. What's here? Awe mo na ero. Mami eso ni ezeye. Kose gbe ya pa. Eso abi egbe ri bagbe. Eso de gbe omo emi yen gbe depends on ko egbo ani sa gbo ma baba. We no saya je bayi. Eso ni oye be ye de gbe gbin oye be okay. Usono na igbe age adana no mama. After we be o we boy ro no gbe yen gwa. Okay gbe ari ex boyfriend de isu. Do ma be ko do so o wa ku we bu no je wa. Ebe Julia, iya Julia. Imagine say they tell me am fian I don't know. Iya be se ja be si called out. Awa tu pele for the. Eki na warule uni na wazabo wa uni. Eki gigie ni. Eki rock mo wa abi eki edera o. Eki edera o. O ko ti eki rock mo wa. Eya wa so bomu, eya wa gwari fi akara. Enagi ma. Ale gun agbeze yan we. We mi ara e. Wa do bomu yan bo je ki ani. Uga do bomu yan bo ji. Awe ona ma wona ra e o. Gba ko to se nu ri o ko to se wo dori ekia. Beto pi ana no we to be na re. Agbe ara no ma gbo yoyo na. Ni yaga eda e hon de na. O pi ana. O hala guweri ekia. Nyamere. De gato sinu wame. De ko ni bisinu wame. Wo se ne ku wana settings we biebi. O wo pe ana o pe ana wo pe ani wi yan e. O we zabi pe ani we ola je yin. Wo sie o kunu we wine. Woro wodo. Adobo me ko ni kama we omo yan igba ore o. Eyan igba we so ahi toge. O we to gwa lo wa. Betin lo be o toto. O lo be o do. Like I don't get it. Aga eri wa. Aga wa. Abi awa runza. Amenae ayunu gae. Tu pele ni. Ela na mai o mala ke na do ami ofi gbon ewo po wa. So kon wu wa so eje video. Wa wo do ejiro wa makpa ra odo makpa wa do we eri. I don't get it. Ogono ko wa ya re. Gbe no ko no re me. Gbe no ko no we won mu pe ana no we won wi je. Dawe oho okeke na fian egboko. Dawe mi no keke na time because he tell we no the problem. He made the solution. Abi o pe ani o ya na kan. Abi o pe ani o ma na tie we bo we. Ibu vai no ri. Obo pa jisin. Obo no pa. O pe ke do ga we owo kin yen go ewe mi on to wan, which is very rare apart from maybe we ezoro. If ya ni no lega ni buru word. Right? The only one ni gele wine or say kan iman now or me video na yin ka or say kan ni wa gele or me ya we aba bi no ma ya we mama a bia ya we mama o bia ni siko gele siko o bia ni wa we jo we nwinu we ma mu yin beto sewe we agbon we mi ga gin na le di osewe ona ga koko bonoka be no ye koko bonoka se oye lu vun bo karakwa. Yes, oni me wine o bia ni we won a o bia no bia ni a o bia ni we like o bia na we you we definitely know his actions, the words of his mouth. E no ri ata mu gbe wa no ari un gberan wa gbegbo almost to him. O ni awe mo they guide with all their heart. Even no bia ni pretend he say bueno ma we won ti wa mu jamu du we agbina yo wo we because what here in we na we ma mu andina do logo sele ra emi no sunu wagbon we no wasi kaka yan bia ni yan mo bo value we no wari vin yan se ni oni oma ni yan ti ho oje moje mena amari usale beno oni e mani me egele mi egwe yes o bia no ra ya o han kia ya gbo si me yan yo han kia gbo si me ni esi ko e o se meze gbegbe no ona ija yo ya we wa ri do na wa a me po ma se no fufu so pa o wa pa yan ga aje ebi ore won ne ore ri ekwekwe no udin le mi dan wa gudi o udin la no yo goje o iye o pe no body o la osayan meda o wa udi o wa re o wa udi o wa ma udi o ije wa gudi o gele udi me no yo goje ri o ma o pe no body o la osayan meda o ene no ga iwe budi kire ori ejo han wi eke eyin mi ri o ma o be jere wi yen wo po o gbaro wa ra egbo e ogbono obi omuki o me no mu e o se be ke no lai ekwekwe ga ide jo ne wo ma o fun aro e wa be han kire gbera e wa be han kire gbera e so dogo ma be eje radio please do not hesitate. If you have my number, come to me, let's start sorting it out. Abiogega ati owo kan wọ́n mi la wa ya wi fi yin ese we e ka gbe asaburo fe go marry first o mu da wa ni bu wa ro wodo wa stay come akeka wa o pe agba stay wa ro wodo me be stay ko pe ani me jo mere ni o se mi na tamu we na we yes I have experience ti ma be yo go me right who wani bun lay under the shadow of a marriage woman Mrs. Nenoma why Mrs. What obu wa e kaku wa e wa e bu wa I can man no here I can man no here why there work anybody what obu wa da fe bu wa we ame wa be ije ni mu degi oyi wa mi saka e no gbara gbari ya o ku ekeroba ipo iro wode so nero wo ilahin ekeroba mo gun ya wo wa sako mu e bebe puf ugu ga igbe aga no gogo mu e na wa yi gbe agia no wa ko call it and pay mu e gbe age so mu chukma okororo word edowe atemu nene yake nene kiari ari buba yin won to adobo mewe run de ki apa na mi no do so po o sun mi na ya o ba no ijo elege ni mi no je we bu je fi o we nu ga ewe gbe wo we o enu ewe gbe wo we wa josin we de na ke ni josin ave leki la ne ke a o mama ya se re oko nfin ayake we odo sunu ye ni me we ahore gun ehun mu eko we gi me we mu eko we get out of it oh come so pe na yi wa je na ima ino kwe so la honwe ulule aya jo wa rive yule la diana problem ko so avie kero ba yo to oye na ikoni ki la ma ya shede la ma e ki oba oye be ti ya wa la ma wo we la ma eru wa je o so na ju wa gbe na wa mi wa gbon Oma no mo do ne gbe we wo ni. Ologwe yo logwe adolo ero. Agwivena. Oh, woman and our adobo me odo an abo we so no we ne do kai. So pa ezo la ibugbele do gbu wa hu. Ka to re ri o na iri ona. Nunda ekene gi na pa oge mo na wo. O wo no gize si kokpe ati re ya ni mari ne. E to go ni ga no eke ona ya afie kun e. Eni kere ga edere o gbo igbina dene. Salo gba ga gbe mi yo na ina ko. O ra gbon omozo. O fone tu pele. Eri o le je no ko no bia ze ta mewe. Muwe me iya sayo na ni muwe re sikeme. Sikeme. Baby sikeme o ma sike baby ma sikoi. Eto bia na ka ko ya aka mewe. We wona no wo na una wo sunu. Ukino uzola pa gbera, uzole va gbera, e ha gbera, e ne gbera, uki okpa fo. Ukino give ave mo e ove fofia. Ukino give ave fo. Eso waro pokpa gbalaka. Eso waro upokpa gbalaka o. Awi ave ya dugbe baba. Me man, when I go wagwan when you not see it. Amen. I don't know what to tell you people. Because I don't know what born my daughter even no wrong on you. A boy at a go wagwan. So come why ye no that or you why is being made up already. Ya go ni be there. Ona monsieur bagbe no dafin do lo be kinya eva o dafun e bozinya eva ene osio emi odo ni o we ni do bo egbe sa ba na egun ayu me bi ekwe mi ba mi nere ai me ni kwe so ni waro wodo egi Nigeria ni na do ni ya o Nigeria metamu wana iwo ni ro wa keke serere webo eni iya wa eni esu wa be ekota na ni buto ari bieke ni nwa ari bieka we ibieke ala dazo meme ari bieke moni miss road osun pa losun ya ere jina tere ari ene di no sun wu wa gbon ori memoroko na sinina owo use substance eni ya wa do e iya we wa si party koko iya wa me gbin because what's here o no ya home o ma no ma we mo o ma da no ma sine awa o heiro unda aya o sent of yan me o we mo mero you just have to iye ni aka iye do ma le gbin ya keri na re gbin asikoko you na do initiate other fian you ti an ri gere na reform ya hi ha u dan you yan be kwe iya weri manire we bo na me manire we bo bi ko wa eniyan ya weri an wa yanire we bo manire we bo me gbori on ninu awa be wa pun pa wa pun ayo mane osaye ni na to si gbe are mane ni a pe ma ku we bo obi agbogugu wa yika gele wa yika ari mi wa wa won ka wa ri de wa unya mundigo wana miamiawe igo emi ya waga isevane wa do bere oke igo emi ya wa ya pa wa do agwa alternative no gbu wa ho wa do agwa le plan B waga ile mi plan B no wa ya solve a problem wa ya sort it gbu wa ni wa do agwa le no wa initiate you way. People will not go with you guys. Association one of the boy. Or that one I one why fun you fun ere wa. So lo ba mi wa fan because e su to boy egbu wa ile wesu. O we ni ya ma wa ni u wa gwu esesu. Eri o meje no pia. O pe anu ewu ma we won ko ni si mi si you to pele. aweme. Be aneti we no, neti we yes. Okeke, aye waya kon. Ota, eyin holi. Nebote adano. Adano, okeke o manehene, adano. Wanibu, iriere ya amogi wawa. Iya ma iduoni. Iya gwezere pinyawa. Wa fun ewo. Wa fi obodo we. Runda. Then so ya mwegbinya. Like, I don't know how to explain it. A generation of Salobo awa me one father. Salobo another so. Because we are rekenia finige. Una rekenia finige 20 years ago, Agoma area 7. We are rekenia bonige, we are neck water we. That way man in a hina. I ever go for any pinani. Oh, Banya are wearing over. Oh, Banya don't remember or walking here moving here. Ogena odoguwan igwe so ahia ka gwe pia kege obi agenye ige ogogo pia egwe de me polygamous in nature be na yanye bodia aluga no roge no pia kekere roge roko. Listen, o pia gage egbe ofa obere ya wa mere. Let me put it that way. Egbe omujiji egbe omi efo ukpon ori eviri oni ona ga singular mami owo na jo fi owo ejo ha o ma mu egbe opa yaga runda owo bi oba owo bi enigi owo ni mu egbe egboto owo ona ri awa ebe eva ona ri egbe wa ebe ha egbe no bi yen keno kede ene emonobie ise osebiyon wa iwera wiwije iyan bega lo yen oro mo se na wo ko na ve ogo pe egbe opa no egbe opa mu yo mu toto mo tai eri Jesu ya je Jesu ori je o esu ori mama yira o imae because di Jesu ma be fi apai ba na mi ba si oku oni de Jesu ma ka me wa ya mo bia ni awo egba were o si are wa na be la se fon be e ko pa wo we be no wan o ma ko pa wa so geri your papikin o we taba neno bia gwe re share yen ke abi Rebecca men o hin ya na mo we ya na mo gie ari mo we gie ri o o bia na ri ki na ri le loko na le na mo gie o so na ta we o ona no de ona o ri boso ne ede igbe o we ono na wa ni yen gwa lo yen ye gwa lo o we ne for free o ebe no we o je ye ke meti ma we na uwe babo e asele vai pastor soto e pastor akia gbe se wa o we benya o la we proverb uwe be no nwa oji nina wo bi ari boza viene o si ekenori oji ori oji ngwani bona ta we chetro girl over. Yes, chetro girl over. She throw away the friend 25 guests at a spot. For example, he get who he like. Well, I talk better and I don't know that they are listening. Exactly. So the Womenhood Association at large. Oh, Benny boss on a way be nowhere. Ona ye tamie de igbe well na. But obo body also banata we ona je plenty ajo pata aje no mure erobu no mure de gbe mu eru hell ona ka wo ne o yere e ba bo yan is we say for the rainy day Ona ka bozone for the rainy day. E dey igbona ye ebo. Honore na ye ona ere shabi ona ere pika meno hin. Ona ye gwalo. Beto une. The deed has been done. Ona ye ba. O se emi o beso. O tin jo wan rule. O jo wan leka. But yeah, the way what must be, it must be. And I'm moving on going and because that is what he so desired. Desired to be the able get out. That's what I would. Was you ready with me? It's all in my no, I can't any. There's no way. It's so I call her hair. You fly away. Only with Zeji. Agaya so eo. Ezero. Muyoto oh well. If no ma sevini. Oga de beniania. Oga kemi yobo. Oga kai. Ejo vejeni. Yeso. Peno robona. Ejo robona. Ikpe so gami ya iwa wione. Emo koni kayano. Peno kanye mele ni aga zegbeke. Oga givo. Peno ga iti ese. Egbo iti e wo kona undalo. Iye tela. Wama ojali e. Wayano siye. Okona kamise. Edu jiniye. Oge no. Emi no wo mwe bene. Egbe no kwa bete. Oruwa. Ewa me ate kwaga o. Just looking for irrelevant excuses. Emi no ma seri. Iyaga niwe. Oki glad ya degbotore o Italy. Nyaga ni o no bi o kan ni catapult no ya sanya me biso. So pon pa ran fa no wo ri bi a se. Unu na ya ta wo ma re e na ya ri rai. O ge mi no gba. O ge luga. Una ara leke. Uzo na se o ma gba e tu pele no. Pa wale. Uzo na se o mama. Where ili abegu where? Ili abegu where gagbe oto. Owu wa wo pe aro wa. Ubi enene. Upo pa wa biye. Uwe lene noe. Eso ihe imwe gbore. Oga ma mi go yin o baby mama yin. Ni ba bola we gbe ere ni me na ata mu we baby mama we kin. Gwa ma we ni shut up ni me ya gwa le baby father ni ahon lo ga pa ni kedu agu wa gun. Nene ni arin ni wa aju wa re kan mu wa we ko wa ri na ma. But iba boga ila gwa gbe ne. Esu ga igbo ho dan iwa une. You we mentally honorable Siva, thank you. Why do jele where mama mama are you guys for it? But again I do what any who are piano now take it easy. You go to one. I don't know take I was going this one as if finish you. Tu se svena hina asa probena hina fe vena hina mala ke gbono sesina. O se gbon wa ni ti gbe na nu gba no fun. Awa me no we ri ma. Eri ma no. Oga de unu ya be na eniya. So you block eniya so me vera. Ina ibe miera nene. Oni be se iga I mi odone yen ti be ba ti eri. Why ka do you block eri ma so me. Do you block eri ma gbe mu wa itota. We mo ke be te ba ga ikan yan ni. Be ya ta me wija iru wa no la me da me. Like o. Hey, tell me, sister, I don't want my party are not talking now because now because now you not talk am again. Not trying out. If you want just advice, I beg. You know what this man they do? Anything of your again now, him we block back. This one will go do this one. He will say, hey, go cool jaw. No, call him picking. No, don't do like that. Now, useless man. Hey, matter. One me like Ezon and the one I win Ezon and I way I oh ye ma Adolo ayere here one yata one when we here. Mammy Ezon and dollar every day. Do a ma on me na saboro me on. Odo ame na agui. Ezo na dolo egi lade. I know it. When I see it, when I hear it, I can't tell you what on to pay no. I don't let it learn ade. Or when you package, ni a manage, ni a bale, ni a wale nukiajo. Ya he se gbe odo I silently never get by here. Na get gian. But I no be waroba. But I no where wow I told your father there so a day. I'm not calling. No, not the calling. No. See, any couldn't tell it because of honey. As on American who I'm not telling me by. Anna Jerry no the neck boon while equal or say. Come on, say. Oh, my God, I want me go like that. I'm so one of what mood than for. I get what the figure problem. Yes, only there we bonnet the figure. I want me salary no a bar was genu we are this my sister a bar. He what you be la wo go the papas me come more. He ain't can the papas Gina. Oh my don't am we son. I was just ya said be nene motor check you e ma nene check in your venue sing imeke na wa me view ejo Latifa I greet you love o me wa na wa me view na we to yezege o yi me wa na wa me view na awo we view so wa oni bi we be so do ba ro ri awa o to se si no my sister you tie o can have your niya no that for me you have check la one say no we down say okay give me our African food we be our supermarket even know my sister yeta na wa ho rezoni oh my hono re wa fi sana ya ovu ezoni me no ya ovu ni oyo ya ni ya do kiri mami ezo Legive baba bureje buregbe gwan yo se mi yo gwan yo ni nwa ni rewo gwan jo ezon ya gbe la dia we awa ni ya wo ma wa e ya ma mi ya ma enwe lo waje the rate at which ni ko ya ge with it bia is too much. And the worst of all, unero online. Abi ko ni onjo do. Oji wa mi. Nege ni ro ka o. Ami wa lagu, wa we gu wa to. Iko nege ni awa ya tie. Ni awa ari odo giri biyan wa de. Eki ani opa wa yeje, ni wa yesu epe kiyan. Awon alagbon wa. Mami okono o arowo pia uwa ki gbe agia no wo una wari gbe agia won ewuku una wari ewuku pleti boku be nina won o kin mi wo krika eri wari wu ko wo pia we anya no ye ma wa we begbo godogodi wewo pe agbara owa o gbere ungwe yen Janet ganke ni o Janet ganke o ma wunjo yan uhe no wa re buto we no ma we girl you are not a black girl a black woman ugwo pe ara owa do that for when you re na je ebuke o yenu ya gwa lo awa wa ri like that we no ri trend o re ni gwa lo o we the soft word soften the heart of a king. Why so well? Why gwa momo ye gbije? Why so gwa mo you wa? Why so ga gwan pepe ye ne? Why so ga tell na me we e so ka we yan kie? Why so ga gwan na me portrait kana police on e de la police on wa? What you why? My people? Odo an soro agbon ye gbe mi ona gare omo ogeja ona raro omo ogeja da wo won lenu wa je Wala wo wa to emu wa o yo fini ne gwere o wa no do an enya gbo keke o wa no do an enya tota kegbe o wa no do an enya gun are na gun. It's a very big problem. O do an enya total for at least 30 minutes. All the television o da for we are news mo hon ebo na so ma na ta o ma we get ata le kwem enjoy. You bond, you reunite. Unless our own acadero. Their caro is well understood. You went there out of greed. You know who was one, you know who working on Nuna walking, even at that moment. One on it. Now that you finally got what you want, and things are not changing, you're trying. Okay, let me use myself as an example. You know, I date one, right? This person is so nice, he's down to earth. He's down to earth. But along the line, my friends like that I not be a sabo. Or I just I don't want to be a sabo. My friends calling by my name. Efe, no mama gbe, me to be me goma. Me aswo. E wo ka ma ne goma. Managa here. But Omare, the likeness, the love is not there. Omare, I like him as a person. But mommy is able to love L-O-V-E. Our one. He was not forthcoming. And I okay. Iye-eki. Where we are just to he's such a nice person. Just to see Dogari. I disrespect him, he whine. I know. He told me, man was here. I do. You don't force it. You can't fake it. Even if you do, it's temporary. Waiting well. Sometimes, good or bad. He complains. He called my friends. He talked to them. Oh, she wanna go. Yeah, really. You know what? The funniest thing with my friends, they'll be like, no, what do you mean? Where is that? Where am I? Oh, no, the Pope. Where you mean your pattern? Where you know? Get I don't know. It's so like when you say somebody is so nice, I don't suffer anything, nothing. He doesn't want to see my tears. Nothing. He just got to my picking or more. Nothing. I was like, okay, let me see how it goes. For the fact that the mother so loved me. Oh, Jesus. Naturally. Now, the mother loved me naturally. You know, okay. Let me see. Now, yeah. You got to tell I know. I'm in prison. Now myself I can't do. Not him. Because I knew already nothing of such. But for the fact that friends are bombarding me with your Magbe, he loves you, and I know he's not. I was trying my possible best to make it work, to fix it. But you know what? The more I try, the higher the thing lose. The more I try, the thing, the time I just tell myself, devil, you are a liar. This thing must work. And that day the thing will cut pass. There are what when you were there are problem. You are so unnecessary. Very, very unnecessary. For no reason. Any little thing I would just ignite. Because the love was not there. Until I took a bold step. I told myself, I said, if I what to do, you was ever. And he's always around me. I don't feel comfy. Or for example, get back where you Malaki party, Malaki go, go, Even if we decide to say, let's just, no, different. Sometimes when I talk, I'm talking about myself. I might not just tell you this is me. Sometimes I share my story. I will tell you, sometimes, in most cases, I talk out of experience. If you don't love a man, or if a man don't love you, if the feelings is not there, do not, I repeat, do not force yourself into it. These are one of those things that led Regina into the substance she's taking. Then, Jesus. Now, cream where I felt they use that they use. What did change for my color? Now, cream where I felt they use that they use. Right? Maybe the day when you see a book. I know it. Our area of the door me. Ni bebe moi. And not our net or the Morocco ne Regina. Zanity. They may no mano. I know you remember. I never going to be beauty. Please, you need delivery from River Husband. What do you think? River! What am I River Husband for? Thank you for your marriage. Mr. Didge. River. People say it's River. River! I say River. It's the thing of the mind. Your skin is brighter. Really? For a couple of weeks now, I've been indoors. So, what do you think? Eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep. I don't go to factory anymore. I have time for myself. I'm very relaxed. So, definitely, you know, when you're happy inside, it will definitely radiate, right? I believe something like that. But I will check. I'll check on myself. Okay? Thank you anyway. There another one. Or two. Let me do like this. One got me engaged, the first one. Now you can't. I told him, I don't feel anything for you. I don't feel anything for you. I will tell you. I know go feel on the ad my own. Not be say as I talk at the book. No, I'm giving instance. I'm ashamed of myself, yeah, but it has happened, it's in the past. And you know, if you got my past and it's not for them, I believe I should be able to use my own past to at least help others that are coming, because I have outgrown it. I thought he's a noble man. God, they always help me, Sha. I never those I really don't know, but I have taste for good things. I told him, I said, you know what? I'm not feeling anything at all. Even when we won't make love sex, I don't feel anything. Nothing. But we go do, but me no say nothing. It get to a time, I sat him down. I said, you know what? Dagolden I know I don't tire. Why? See. This effort. No, I don't feel gimmers. I don't feel zingbo now. I will tell you. I returned the ring. He was heartbroken. You know, so if you break person, it's different from person breaking. Play or minus, plus or minus, but we are still good friends. Everybody went along. We went our separate ways. Another one came. Although that one was with some circumstances, which I have said before. That one was nice. God, they blessed me, to be fair. That one was nice. Who not still good? Egbano one for right? Good. Got engaged, packed my properties, blah, blah, blah. But the circumstances that surround that was like, you know, I always tell people, when you're dating a baby father or a single father to somebody, the woman has not remarried, and the contact between the baby, the woman and the man is so much tight. You are just when you play. Because Odenakala no so especially when a child is involved, a log on a deribila. Now only when the woman say I know want. If now you be the man say you know want, you are a joker. Babayati or talk better. If now you be the man, you say you know what, just the play. Any relationship you enter, unless say the woman, oh child, Ima, unless say the woman tell herself, say you know what is over between us, and the woman give up on you, then you are free. Even at that, you are not still free. You're not free finish you, because if your pikin do, he go call you. So that was the reason behind that one, and I couldn't take it. I am a jealous person. I couldn't take it. I couldn't take it. If I care, I do. If I don't, I don't. That's one thing about me. So I couldn't take it. I became more jealous. And you know, jealousy, if it's too much, you can do something stupid. So I don't want such, and I just, as I be comport myself sometimes. Only if he sets, so I did all my possible best. We were good friends. We parted in peace. And I returned his ring. I did. So not be mommy water. Not be a juju river husband. I juju river husband. Letting that not they marry. Letting that not get husband. Leave her. Not be that one. It is just you knowing what you want and know yourself. Yeah. It's a matter of you knowing what you want and know yourself. And when it's not there, you can't force it. This time, okay, let's see it this way. This time, it's not that I did not even try. I did. I wanted to make it work, but it wasn't working out. It wasn't working out because the feelings was not there. I felt nothing for the person. The person involved, I felt nothing for them. So I can't force it. I tried. The other one was relationship of 2 years. It not work. 2 good years. 2 consecutive good years. It not work. I did all I can. It not work. I had 2 pele. I take a worker. The other one was, we were even living together. Yes. People see us as couple. But the fact is that indoor, I don't know, we are so, for the fact that, I can't know, say, I relationship for the pretend. Now quarrel another day. If there is pretense in relationship, we don't argue. We hardly argue. We are so good. If you come meet us or us, you're the person who will be like us. We hardly argue. Either I'm on my phone, he's with his phone, or sometimes I want figure. Also, my boy he's a good cook. I am a good cook. The day I can, okay. The day I cannot, he does it. Stuff like that. But we tried our possible best. Oh my God. Disrespect, yes. Sometimes I tell OKPAMEN wa when it boy kobowa. Anyhow, or wrong. Is that way? We Bulgari corner the Kunjula, Silodo, was a dot. I prefer to talk to my sister with the Torino for phone. So now that will be my trademark that and she never married. She never born to pick that. So wow. Ije no ma. Wori lele o. Zaburu. Sometimes when I take a seat, I look back, I'll check my pastor and say, God, I beg. No now. No. And I thank God for God. Like, in all, he can't pay me, say, in all, I did not. I know accept what I know what. That is my joy. Even if say it still get as it still be now, I no accept wetin I no want. I no use mistake. I no use pepper body. I no use vacation one go my hair. I no use a gbe one and say okay, I get all because if it, I have learned that thing. I knew it already. If you're not there for money, you're not there come after afternoon. You can never see it in the evening. The end of it, you turn out to become a nuisance to yourself. You will be depressed. You will nag. Your normal self, you can never be a shadow of yourself. You will be bug, no peace. I know all these things. That's why I kicked against it. So when Ned when he said Regina is under substance, oh yes. Oh yes, because those are the things that I give her joy. And the nyama Ned, the rap is both for that day for cycle. Now Ned teach me how to drag it book. Now teach her because no me when Ned in me. At the moment you call the mom and say, oh, I can't money or kasi tani. Yeah, belly be a cow where village people can say they were pressuring. You must marry from an enemy and it must be a fresh. After how many wives? After how many wives? A 72 years old man, be 70 years old man. Your village people can't pressure you say it must be she must be a virgin. Then you not consider another virgin upon virgin. You consider a Regina. Anyway, that will now trade by barter. Just I not talk about tonight again. Because I know what they do. Regina that was even doing well for herself. Some people want to say people will come abroad can't do Miliki. Who said? But Regina in that case, who said she was already doing well for herself as a then. Regina is a household name as a then. Am I yes, Regina? Regina brought her mother out. Even if say Mama said I put her for drama, but Regina brought her mother out. So automatically she was doing well for herself already. So why on earth will Regina not be a private jet here, while a Ferrari here? You see, I say get the way that they you don't they do. It's just like may God help you. Somebody say amen. May God help us all. You know you don't love this person. Regina knows, or let's say she was thinking love will come. Or further still, as a day, Regina don't just know what love is all about. But adapt, because seeing her in the hands of her ex then, she feels so relaxed. Even when there was no huge amount of money. Seeing their pictures together, Regina feels so relaxed. Unlike that of Ned. So if I am to say it might be Regina don't know what love is all about, does it mean I don't know what I'm saying? Or me myself confused? No. She do. According to her mother, in her mother's voice. She said as not begin to get 30, her sense be like 30 years old, which is quite alright, no doubt. Many mothers will say it like, well, if you are a big way, we don't feel said, which is normal. Doesn't really mean Regina was having that sense. Hey, no. If the mother had kicked against it, might be she wouldn't have. Although the mother is not telling us she have kicked against it before, now we can't hear me no fair year. Which is okay. But now that Regina have now come to her senses, she's now a full-grown adult. That is where you hear me sing that song. We want it. If I know. And I never go, and I will get the oh, you walk by my you what I say, or my pay, I home. Oh, you walk by my you what I say, or my pay, you home. And I swear, I got we go, on I got we get okay, then I go, gallo, on I got we get I say, Poggy on my day, and I got a bouva. Ose pori omare anaga egbo pe ni o. Ima ori bi awo me o pe ni no gbo bi awa. Osunu da evo kejere o ebi medo ya eka o. Okwo pa mi ne go kini re go bia. Ele ze kan yo. So knocking one over my kedore. Alagbe o. Regina one enya. Enwa dore. Ta alagbe tu pele no se veka. Tu pele. Emi won da foto si mi ona daso. Igo emi ya o wagbona. O se mi ya o. Igo emi ya o. Igo emi ya o wagbona. O se mi ya o. Wakiari okwo, eri mo sare o. Eri go no me o. Uke yari enokwo. Wakiari omoto o. Eri mo sare. Eri go no me o. Uke yari enokwa. Amen. Bless I go to kota. Igo emi ya o wagbona ideri o ma. Deni ri ame etian ya me ide. Iwa ta lo si wa ga fa so ma lo ame. Amen. O se ya o. You got it. Regina mi go nenya. Ori eveta. Somebody say my face they like. That thing draw my attention back again. At the bonnet kugwe Ivan. Kugwe here. I've been at this oh yeah, what I said on my face. Glowing vitamin C 2% with vinegar whatever. Plump and firm vinegar equal. I video la wo was egbe ga o na se comment si re yan re comment si we o we ta o me de wo ko lu ki dagbera he we o emi ta jina wa lu anything ye gbe emi ta wa work emi ta ya etc e so man any ki gun emi ya o you sure I bet one that person check my face for me. My people is there okay. I already organize I know what any bo. You sure say not be this thing so? Now because of that mark way there here. You sure? Okay, my friend know the lie. Go tell me truth tomorrow. But thank you. I so much appreciate that comment. God bless you. Go call my friend for video call tomorrow. Go look my face well. Go tell me. What we now we are pussy? What we now can't walk over? Hello? I be black person. I not be black. I don't be black. I want to see do. No. Should I say I be chocolate or I be yellow? I don't know how to come. I not be black. My daddy fair. My mommy black. My daddy fair. If you see my two step sisters now. If organic person where they sell cream use they do cream avat oga. If you see my little niece now. If you use do baby cream. The small one way do the senior is your egbo wa be running. But the baby way they now we that one now we born for us. So but it's all good. Thank you for that. I will try out there. I will see to it. You get what I mean? So I was saying they come. And the mommy do boetan on your existing. God bless you, Sophia Love. Oh, where are you? She bought me this gold last year birthday gift. This is the second or third time why they put her for neck. This was my birthday gift last year. Now gold all the way from. No one turn away that my phone there. No any problem. God bless you. You very hell at your phone. In our way, room. You know that we make it. We don't sell our way. No, to our most we know. One erekere no sawe ya wesi kakabo. My good people. So, for you as a young maid, such a major, you know, osoja, how is such a major? For you as a young maid, you just think you can do it on your own. Go and seek advice from people that have been there for years. As they said, marriage is for the two parties. It's not for the weak. They said, and I quote, sometimes when the woman is tired, the man will be carrying it. Sometimes when the man is tired, the woman will be carrying it. Why sometimes both of them hold their hands so sweet down the road, they'll be singing. Sometimes those hands, they fling it off. So they said, which I believe. But you see, you knowing and doing, what power you okay? Wa biye be no se ni gaje o ri le bi opa ni o ma wi o ya gin o ri no e ti ha ge wo lo fe o ge no ni o ge ye re le tawa o no we na gin o vi o sa lo ba na ge avi o wa e no do asiku o ge na hin o pi ana wa e we no love, no nothing, no love na ma eni amu ebo gbe. No do e o ma me no go an bo ni uro wi o mo e bo go ya polori e yo da we kin iye-eki o ko ga we yan e le gbe age ya bi e so wa e we e taari o wan, but their mission is just for themselves. Why so mine? Right? There is so no one right from the very beginning, right from day one, right from the very beginning, right from onset, go toward day. There is nothing like our woman from the fellow, from the other party. Oko en do be ama we ni. O pe ave en go ma we ni. Yes. O pe ai, o na gbo yan. Oko no ma we mo mi. We lo po mi en go pe ama. Or not day. And then I will wear. If you can't no de water. You can't force it, you can't buy it, you can't maneuver it. There is no shortcut. If you want to overdo it, you know, domestic violence will take place. Okpa you won't tie. Not by we carry on. Yes. Okpa you won't say fair, not by a jega hokpa. Or no jega or is even lucky or ladian. Or we continue a journey away. Until Edenusa hati but no wune, no remedy. Siekwe hero. I don't know. Or you okay, but again, it is too late. No before him. That's what I don't want. Are you getting it? So not allow. Because we will not allow what do. No why we no level because of it. It's so only a be about more. It's so y'all like different reasons. I don't know. Oh, Jack Spencer, thank you, love. Different reasons. I don't know. I don't want to use up my feet or even on me. Like as I said, I don't know. There are reasons I best not to that. But as for me, if no love, no nothing. Love or nothing. I don't care. I don't care. You get what I mean? So you just know already. Then you come they preach. You have to understand the fact that it's not there. At the later on, you are going to expect excess buzz. Marriage does not change anything. Anything you see while dating, expect double. In fact, triple of it in marriage, because that's the finishing point. Anything you cannot change while dating, you can't change it in marriage. You can't. Anything you cannot change, I repeat, while dating, it can never be changed in marriage. In marriage, you know, we'll lose it. You see it all. You begin to condole excesses. That's where your understanding comes in. Sometimes even the love self will fail you. Love go leave you, come out. You go the love on that person. But the understanding keeps it going. The maturity keeps it going. The zeal in you to say, yes, I want to. I am ready. Not because others are doing it. Not for your selfish reasons. Not for your selfish interests. Not because of any other material things. Because of you know what you are going there to do. You want to do it. And Allah reciprocates come. Oh, saboro zebo. Owano. Ezolini. Me zebofia. Asaboro zebofia. That is what I know. That is why when I am talking with any guy, now from talk I didn't know that we would date. I love conversation. Now from talk I go know whether we go date. If he end for talking, yes. If he end for talking, we even talk for years. We even talk for 1 week. Depends on your vibe. Depends. Now woman wey like person, wey they enjoy your company. Now go carry phone, they have to say how far you don't eat ice and now go they even complain on the carry phone. The one will not send your papa. Oh, don't see the call. Look at that. You know that guy now. I just tell you he's got the coppers in here. Which kind of Wahala be on this one? He not going to see they do. Babe, I want to know. He just there. Pick up and say you busy. About the pick. Me go kiss it. Me get that. Beg. Me go call another person. Okay, the phone to call. I say, you pick and make you discharge this guy. Pick and tell her once. Just tired. Hello? Good evening. Which one be baby? You don't know the number where you call. We know the quarrel. We know the quarrel. Other side. How you dey? Yeah, I say I talk to you. Not be. I don't understand. How after they talk to you, I dey like that for ground they talk to you.